If heavy debris clogs Dustin Combo's dustbin or his charging station, he will not be able to self-empty. You may notice that the self-emptying process sounds different, or the indicator light on the charging station blinks red. Here is how to clear it. Note that you'll be clearing dust and debris from both the dustbin and the charging station. It's a good idea to lay down cleaning rags or paper to catch any dust or debris that may fall out during the process. First, clear debris from the dustbin. Remove the dustbin from Dustin and open it to manually clear any heavy debris inside. Check the entry and exit flaps on the dustbin and clean debris gathered in these areas. Check the disposal vent aperture to make sure it bounces freely. Check the main brush compartment and its opening to the dustbin. Remove any dirt, dust, or debris that may be tangled or stuck in the area. To clear debris from the charging station, remove Dustin from the station. Open the charging station and pull the card to seal and remove the dust bag. Set the dust bag aside and close the lid. Unplug the charging station from the wall. Remove the station from the charging bed. Then, tilt the charging station onto its back or turn it upside down. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the 5 screws on the air pathway access window. Remove the air pathway access window. Clear the debris from the air pathway access window and air pathway canal. Use a long-handled bottle brush to scrape away any debris residue in the air canal, ensuring that it's clear and open from end to end. Reinstall the air pathway access window and tighten the 5 screws. Turn the charging station upright. Then, open the station and slide the dust bag into the guide rails. Press the card down to open the seal and ensure free flow of air. Place the charging bed back in place and plug the station into the wall. Finally, send Dustin to dock or manually place him back on the station in position. Press Empty on the app or initiate a self-empty by pressing the Charge button on Dustin while he's docked on the charging station. If air is able to flow freely, the indicator light turns off. If you need additional help with Dustin, please get in touch with our helpful support team.